Welcome back. In the last video we stopped from here, initiate the seller account, so I will continue on it. So you can get start for your first gig. I click on get started and some information about Fiverr selling, and I click on continue. So continue, you can read this and get an idea, and I'm just continue it. Okay, so there is another application that you want to fill your bio and your details, so I fill these. And profile picture that I create from pfpmaker.com, and description also I already added. And this is the language section. You can add language and you can edit the level of the language. So I will add new language in my native language. So this is my native language, so I select native and update, and also I add English, add. So I click on continue, and you select your occupation, what is your base service that you are going to provide. So in this course I am going to show how to create website. So the website is belongs to programming and tech category, so I select programming tech, and you can add occupation this here, and I'm going to click on e-commerce, website builders, WordPress, web programming, like this. And this is the skill that I added. So add your all skills. It is very important when buyer see your account and see your skills and education. You can also add certification. Also you can add your personal portfolio or your website. So I add my website. Continue, and you can also add social accounts. So I already told you the social account is very important to buyer to identify that the person is a real person, not a fake account. So you can add your social account. In this year I'm not going to add my accounts because I already have a 5 account and I added them. So I click on continue, and email is verified because I am using Google social login. Else if you use normal email address, enter email address and create the account, you have to verify that you can verify it easily. Then they send an email to your account and you have to click on verification link, then the account email account will be verified. Also you can add phone number, country Sri Lanka. Okay, I successfully verified the email account and phone number, and then they ask for security questions I choose this one. What was the name of your first pet? I had Tani. Finish. Okay, the verification is completed now. I click on finish and finish. Before I in this course I am going to teach you how to create WordPress websites, and I am first going to show you website that I have built. This is one of my website, and this is also and this is my company, the online shop that selling electronic and electrical items. And also this website also created by me, the learning management website for Marty, and also this website. So I will teach that you want to know about all things related to WordPress website. So I'm getting Fiverr Gig, so you can add your title here. So I will add create WordPress. This one, WordPress e-commerce website, and select the category. Also you can quickly click that the Fiverr suggests to you. So also I already told you that web development belongs to programming and tech category. So for this gig, the most suitable category is programming and tech and e-commerce development. I select that and service type. I'm going to add this is not customization, no bug fix or backup migration like that. I select the whole website creation, and this what is the platforms. I tick on WooCommerce, Shopify, and supported plugin types, shipping, social media, payment, shipping. Most of these are matched to the plugins we can get. And search tag I add WordPress and simply press the tab, and the tag will be added, and e-commerce and website, online store, also multi vendor, and I tick on this. I declare that I have obtained all license this thing, and save and continue. So this is the packages and short description of your gig. So I will add the package name as same as the Fiverr basic and describe, uh, create create e-commerce website with normal features in this standard create commerce website with SEO, that search engine optimization. I'll name this as draw, create full featured website. And delivery time very important. You should deliver when you get an order on time. If not, that will be affected your profile, and buyers, when you look your profile, they see what is your delivering performance. Is this guy deliver on time or lately? So put the delivery time that you able to deliver the described service. So for this I had 4 days and also 3 days, and this for 5 days. So numbers of pages, that I had 5 normal WooCommerce website have 5 pages, about 5 or less than 5 pages, not more. And numbers of product, this is the count of how many product that you add to your e-commerce website, how many items that you added. So I use listing 10 and this 15 and 20. So design customization, I put all to responsive design, yes. Content upload, yes. Set up payment gateways. Also you can customize these options that you provide according to your packages. So I put this all. And plugin and extension install, so I normally install less than 10 or 3 of them. And revision, this is more important, because when you select no revision, you deliver the order. Whatever you deliver, customer has to confirm it or accept it. If you put 1 or 3 number of revision, you should remake the process, redo the work if customer asks for revision. So I normally used to give unlimited revisions, because it is not very difficult to make or customize the WordPress website again. So also unlimited revision, the customers are very satisfied with the revision offer for the cost that he make. So I basically add prices, normally $30, 50 and 80. You can choose your own, and you can add extra fast delivery also. So in this case I untick, and I already give unlimited revision, so there is no need of additional revision. So also if you use stock photos for website, you can put tick on this, and customer have has to pay this cost for stock photos. So I untick that and save and continue. So this is very important. And description, so add this description in good introduction to your gig. So I did that. I am it's so I install WordPress, install plugins, add products and SEO, performance of website, mobile app, web store, app, social logins, like this. And also I add if verification, please feel free to contact me. So also you can add FAQ session to get resolve customers questions. So I add example. Like this, and save and continue. And this is also very important, the requirement that to create the website you have to get cPanel login and or WordPress dashboard login details if your customer already have domain and hosting. So mostly the customers will contact or order your gig after they buy a domain or hosting. Sometimes customer let you to uh, get suitable domain and get hosting, and customer want proceed in that way, you probably need to add the domain and hosting cost to your gig, because you have to pay domain and hosting. And I add here, if you have if you already have domain and hosting, provide me the cPanel login details in here. So the customers can be have already taken domain and hosting, and also they proceed with no domain and hosting also, uh, give chance to you get suitable domain and hosting. So I add this requirement as none required, and I will be putting free text and add, and I added the requirement and save and continue. So this is the gallery. This what customer uh, visually see what is your work. So for the primary gig image, you can put your gig introductory image like this image, uh, very contentful, because it have all features that you going to provide to customer. So example, I will show you why the gig image so important. Let's move to buyer's account, and I will search for website development and hit enter. So you can get a search result like this, and also every customer does not click on each gig and see the full detail. They only looking for best features on this search result. As example, if you look at this image, it is very interactive gig image. It contain fast loading speed, social media integration, search engine optimization, and always provide gig image that contain every feature that you provide to customer. And it is also the first impression to your customer. So make a nice image like this, and you can make it on Adobe Spark, or there are many of online editing websites. So for my primary image, I added that image. Also, if you have website that you already created, you can add the images of your website. So there is a type of adding your website images. I will provide the website to image conversion platform. So this is cloudconvert.com website, and I add one of my website, and add get URL and capture website. So this is the web output as a JPG image. So this is what you're going to upload your gig, and I download this image. Still downloading. So this is the image. It contains the whole area of the website, so I will upload that to my gig gallery. Image uploaded, and this is the new feature that Fiverr gives us, video introduction. Also, this is very important. If you have intro video, it is very impressive for your customers. Your gig will have extra boost from your gig intro. So in this case, I will not upload the gig video and documentation. Here you can upload PDF. Like PDF, it is important if you providing optimization result or what your any kind of details on website or something like that, you can upload here, and I save and continue. So this is the final step. You can add this also. Form W9. Are you a US person? No, I'm Sri Lankan, so I put like this. If you're a US person, you have to give details on taxes, and I save. All done, and I can finally publish the key. Done. So in the gigs area, you can see your gigs, and I will explain about what is this stuff. The impressions are let's switch to the Bible mode. The impressions are that how many number of impress your gig gain last 30 days. You can change it. What is impression is, if I search website development, so I assume I am a customer and search for website development, and we got search result like this. Just assume this is your gig. So customer and search something, and your gig is visible to your customer in this search. So that is what impressions. So in this here, that show how many impressions you got in last 30 days, so you can change it. So again, impression is if someone search for services, if your gig was visible to him or her, that is what impressions. And click is if assume that this is your gig and customer click on it, and it count as clicks. And orders is how many orders you have got for your gig. and cancellation, how many number of percentage you cancelled in last 30 days. So you have to keep impressions in a high value, so you can share your gig link through Facebook, your status, or social media on some your with your friends, and make impression. If there are any impression, there is more probability to customers to click and make a order. Also, I will show the competitiveness of the Fiverr, because Fiverr is now very competitive. I again type website development. So here you can see how many number of persons are giving this website development services. So there is a lot of competitiveness. Also, you have to I will copy this one and paste here. I will website and search. So still your it was not in the search result. This is the competitiveness. If you make your gig more impressions and more clicks, your gig will be top up to the top of the search result. So share your gigs uh, gig through social media, and also join to the Fiverr freelancer Facebook group. There you can be ask any question and get any support. Also it update all about the Fiverr. So let take a look at your gig as a customer view. This is your gig as a customer view. Customer can see your gigs like this. This is the primary gig that we added, and this is the one of the example website that you created. Customer can see it, and also he can. So I normally put short description in this packages. You can add more details on packages so customer can get better idea. And this is what you added under the fusion. And customer, if you customer contact you, you can ask her need, ask his needs, and reply and make an order. So I profile. So reply as soon as possible. It will keep your response rate in a good value. This is your ratings, your clients that you give as inbox response rate is what is the are you response to your inbox, and inbox response time, and order response rate, delivery on time, order completion. This is very important. So I will look to my account, and so my selling account I already have 5 of 5 rating from all customers like that I serve, but my response rate is not 100. It will be updated evaluating next month 15, and inbox response time 1 hour, and this kind. So also you can see your sellers review. In here you can see how many reviews you got, what is your rating, and average response time, last delivery, like this. And this is my gig. As a no level seller, you can add up to 7 gigs, and this is reviews from sellers, mm, like that. So you have to keep maintain the average response time less than 1 hour, not more than 1 hour. So I suggest you to download the Fiverr mobile app, because it is mobile is these days mobile is always with you, and you can quickly respond to customer if anyone message to you. So the app is available on Android and iOS platform. Make sure to download and connect with connect with this Fiverr account. Fiverr is very competitive, so you have to always be positive. I i can give inspiration, because at least one person in this world at least one person in this world need your service. So don't be negative on Fiverr, always be positive. Wait until your first order and make it successful. And in the next video I will teach you how to create a website and how to install WordPress and plugins and themes. So thank you.